Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share with you an amazing recipe for turmeric tea that can boost your immunity and improve your overall health. Let's get started. First, take a small saucepan and add 1 cup of water. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the water. Turmeric has a vibrant yellow color and a warm, earthy flavor. Now, it's time to enhance the flavor and health benefits of our tea. Add half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Ginger is renowned for its immune-boosting properties and can even help with digestion. To add a hint of sweetness, we'll add half a teaspoon of raw honey. You can adjust the amount of honey to suit your taste preferences. Now turn on the stove and heat the mixture over medium heat. Make sure to stir everything well to combine all the ingredients. Once the tea starts simmering, reduce the heat to low and let it steep for about 10 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to infuse into the tea. After 10 minutes, strain the tea into your favorite mug. You can use a fine mesh strainer to remove any ginger or turmeric particles. Your homemade turmeric tea is now ready to enjoy. Feel free to garnish it with a pinch of cinnamon or squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for extra flavor. Remember, regular consumption of turmeric tea can improve your immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. It's a delicious and natural way to stay healthy. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic turmeric tea recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes like this. Cheers to good health!